A major fire broke out at Omega Fibers Private Limited factory in Verna, in which goods, machinery and property worth around rupees 3.5 crore were destroyed. The factory is in the business of manufacturing fiberglass, doors and tanks, etc. Electrical short circuit is suspected to be the cause of the fire.
In a major fire that was reported at the premises of Omega Fiberglass Limited, owned by one Manjeet Singh, at around 2:30 on Thursday morning, machinery, goods and property worth approximately 3.5 crore rupees was gutted. After almost 4 hours of firefighting, the blaze was however brought under control by joint operation by Verna, Vasco, Panjim and Margao fire stations after struggling for almost 4 hours. The 5 fire tenders involved in the firefight required 22 times a refilling before the fire was doused. Speaking to Goa 365, the Verna fire station officer who received the call at 3:15 a.m. arrived at the scene and started the dousing operations. He summoned the Vasco and Margao and Panjim fire tenders as the situation could not be handled by them alone. He further informed that 5 tenders were involved in the firefight.
फायर हायड्रंट सिस्टम त्याची काहीच ना बस त्यांच्या एक्सटिंग्विशर एक 4-5 आले ते भितरच हे झाले आणि फायर सेफ्टी असे आणि काय घडले ना.
Goa 365 also spoke to Vasco fire officer who told us about the operations.
When we came here, the fire was quite big. You could see the flame right on top. The rods have been bended, but the fire had come under control at about by 6:30. The fire had come under control.
Speaking to Goa 365, the security guard at the factory gave us further details about the incident.
155 में आग लगा सर. अंदर से मैं इधर से धुआं निकल रहा था सामने से, तो तुरंत मैं फायर ब्रिगेड को फोन किया तो फोन नहीं लग रहा था बोल के मैं दौड़ के फायर स्टेशन तक चला गया.